let's try this again. I'm not sure what happened with the start of this video. I did open this box, and the K7 I had mentioned, I think on the community tab, was in there, and you know me and K7s. I love K7s. And when the video crashed, I was just saying I wasn't sure what I was going to do with this. Grizz had done a bobtail kind of build that was cool, geez, like 2 years ago. So that's tempting, but I've also got this Christmas idea. So we'll see what happens with that. And this is kind of a quick unboxing, or should be. And let's see what's in this one. Oh, they're individually wrapped up in here. Oh, don't need that. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oops, sorry. Bumped the camera. This is actually, there's 2 castings in here, the reason why I bought this. And they're 2 of the same casting, actually. There's 4 in total. But it's what I think is like, you know, Larry Wood's famous for the bone shaker, but I think this is a highly underrated casting he designed. It's these 2. It's a real cool looking car. It's the Science Friction casting. And this auction had 2 of them. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them, but I know I want to do something. And it doesn't necessarily mean chopping them up. I might chop up one of them. And Keith over at Outlaw Speed Shop did a Science Friction custom where he extended it. I actually bought that from him. It's one of my favorite builds that he did. And I might try a custom of some kind with the Science Friction. And then I think I'm going to do a straight repaint on one. But I think it's a really underrated Larry Wood design. And then there were 2 other ones in here. This is a Rock Buster that, you know, that might be really good for a Gaslands build. And this one, Lord knows what it is. But it's an old black wall Hot Wheels. Obviously missing part of the back here somehow, and it has the rear end where the wheels can raise on it. But yeah, these, I bought these 4. I made an offer for on the auction, $12 for all 4 shipped. So $3 each, and I was thrilled to get these 2 Science Frictions. So it was well worth it to me. And so that's the unboxing. Hope you had fun watching this. Stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you all later.